The cover of the rear seat backrest in the C-Class must be replaced. Remove the headrest. And take out the right fitting of the bearing pin. On the other side, the fitting is secured with a screw. Remove it and take off the fitting. Then remove the belt trim. Just unclip it. But don't take the belt trim all the way off. This prevents the belt from rolling up. Now undo the cover of the cushion. Make sure that the sheet metal of the seatback frame doesn't get widened. Pull the cover over the cushion. While doing this, bring the cover carefully over the bearing pin. The headrest guides must be removed. Loosen the catches under the cushion and pull them out. Then lead the belt through the cover. And pull the cover up. This way you have access to the cover attachments. Unclip them. Work from the outside in. The cross attachments are last. Remove the seam wire and take off the cover. Note the sequence when installing the new cover. Run the seam wire into the tubing. The eyelets may not hook on. Then set the cover centered on the cushion and begin fixing the cross attachments. The wire must lie in the channel of the cushion. Align the cover and cushion centrally and fix the wire at the top. If the cover is still placed in the center, you can fix the seam wire. Recheck the correct position of the cover using the openings of the headrest guides. Run the belt and the trim through the cover. Then pull the cover over the foam pad. Begin at the side where the bolt is attached. Run the seam along the recess and fold it over. Then pull the cover over the top and the side. Turn the seat back onto the cover side. Then clamp the edge profile by pushing it into the four corners of the back frame. Thus, the cover is fixed. Then push the edge profile in at the sides. Tap gently with a long wedge and a hammer. Bring the headrest back on. Press the belt trim back into the opening. The stopper must remain outside. Finally, the fittings and the headrest. The fitting on the left side has a guide. Tighten the screw with 40 Newton meters of torque.